Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 23, 2023, 3-star Sudoku. 5th row and 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. Second row, we already got 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come here another these cells. You confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come here any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. 5th row, we'll already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th row, we'll already get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 9, 3, 7. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another these cells. Confirm later. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 10th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Column E, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 6, 7. 8th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. The 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 8th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then the 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 1, 5. 3rd row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in this cell. It it will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already give 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column E, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.